Guys, it's Rick. Welcome back to the HD Vibe channel. If you'd like to see more tips, tricks, rides, reviews, installs on my Harley Davidson touring motorcycles, as well as information about motorcycles and the motorcycle community at large, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button. And when you do subscribe, leave a comment down below so that I can personally reach out and thank you for supporting the channel. Also, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future content. So today we're going to be talking about a couple of things. One, I want to talk about the lighting that's on the 2022 Harley Davidson models. Secondly, some custom dynamics options to replace some of that lighting. And thirdly, we're going to kick off the 500 subscriber HD Vibe channel giveaway, which is going to be a $100 gift card from Custom Dynamics. So we're going to unpack all this right after this. Let's talk about the lighting that's on the 2022 Harley Davidson models, and specifically I really reviewed the Grand Touring line. So if you look at it from the Electric Glide Standard all the way to the CVO models, the lighting is somewhat to be desired. So on the Electric Glide and many of the other models, there are incandescent bulbs on your turn signals, both front and back, as well as your brake. And then many of the models still have a halogen front headlight. So it's not until you get into the Street Glide and Road Glide Special, as well as the Road King Special, do you actually get an LED Daymaker headlight on those models. And then when you get to the Ultra Limited, you actually get the LED headlight as well as the passing lamps. And then finally, it's not until you get to the CVO models, which are in the 40,000 plus range, that you actually get LEDs all the way around those bikes. So if you're like me and you've seen several of my videos in the past where I cover a lot of Custom Dynamics products to replace those incandescent bulbs that are all around these bikes, including the 2022s. So many of the Grand Touring models have the 1157 turn signal style up in the front. The only exception to that is the Road King. It actually has those lollipops, and Custom Dynamics has you covered in terms of an LED replacement for that. So in the front on the Bullet style 1157, you can get the ProBeam, you can get the Genesis 4 to replace those. You get the white run, and then you get the amber turn signals. And then in the rear, again, you have those same choices. Again, for the Road King, they do have LEDs for those lollipop style, both front and back on those bikes. And then on the back of the rest of the touring line, except for the CVO, you actually have, again, multiple LED options. The first, the ProBeam, or the Genesis 4, or what I've recently installed in the 2019 Road King Special, and I'll have links to the videos in the description, is the 1157 Smart Dual Color turn signals with the Smart Controller. Very innovative product, and one that I really like. And that one is run and brake in red and turn in amber on the rear. This is, again, as I mentioned in the previous video, industry first, no one else has it. Custom Dynamics has come out with this and has a patent pending on this. So they also have, for your headlight replacements, you have a Daymaker style headlight, or you have adaptive Daymaker style headlights by Custom Dynamics. Again, great products. The price point is significantly less than the Harley Davidson version. And I've seen videos and people review them where the actual output of that light is much brighter than the Harley Davidson version. So in addition, as you've seen again on a few of my videos, you can add additional LED lighting to the sides and the rear of these touring motorcycles. And so in the case of my bikes, I have sequential low profile bag lights on the bike. I have plug lights on the bike. I have latch lights on the bike. And on the Road King Special, I also have dual color plasma rods. In addition, to get more light on the side of these bikes, you can install the latch lights, and Custom Dynamics has actually come out with a new latch light configuration. And that is one where the actual light itself that replaces that reflector on the latch of your bags is built into a complete replacement of that latch. In the past, and they still have this product, but they just had the insert. You would pop out your reflector and put this in. So I am actually going to be installing the full housing in black. Again, that comes in a black or a chrome. In a future video, I will be installing the black one on the Road King Special. And those are dual color. They're run and brake in red and turn signal in amber. I have on the 2015 Street Glide Special, I actually have fork lights. And what those do is replace, again, those reflectors on those front forks with an actual light that is run and turn in amber. I will, in a future video, be installing that on the Road King Special. In addition, if you're like me, I have the Street Glide Special. I have an aftermarket tour pack. And as you know, many of those do not come with lights on the back. So for me, as I run my Street Glide Special with the tour pack on the back, it seems to me that it's harder to see those lights because that tour pack kind of comes out farther from the rear fender, sort of blocking the view of all the turn signals and the bag lights that I have on the rear of the bike. So Custom Dynamics has come out with a product to either be a direct replacement for the Harley Davidson Tour Pack Light Kit that goes in the back of the Tour Pack, or it also fits several aftermarket Tour Packs. In my case, obviously I have the aftermarket. Custom Dynamics was kind enough to send to me the new light kit, which again is all LEDs, it's dual intensity, it's run and brake and turn, all in red. So in a future video, I will be installing that on the 2015 Street Glide Specials aftermarket tour pack. So many options that you have with Custom Dynamics. And finally, what I want to talk about is a Custom Dynamics $100 gift card giveaway. And again, this is as a result of the channel reaching 500 subscribers just a few weeks ago. And I want to personally thank every subscriber, every viewer, and future subscribers for supporting the channel. Giveaway is being handled completely by me, Rick, at the HD Vibe channel. Has nothing to do, no affiliation with YouTube necessarily or Custom Dynamics. And it will be a $100 gift card to the winner of this giveaway. And this giveaway will start on February 3rd, when this video is released at 4 p.m. Central. It will run until March 3rd at noon Central Time. So 1 month this contest will run. And how do you enter this contest? Actually, all the rules will be in the description, the official rules that I have to post with this. But how will this contest work? So one, you either have to be a subscriber or I want you to subscribe to the channel. One of those two. And when you do subscribe or you are a subscriber, please in the comments say, I am a subscriber or I subscribe. In addition, put, please enter me into the Custom Dynamics giveaway. And that's it. If you do those two things over the next month, I will then at the end of the contest, again at 12 noon Central Time on March 3rd, I will randomly select a winner, and then I will get in contact with you to make sure that you get your gift card and a few other HD Vibe items that I will send out as well. So I hope you all enter. I do want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, who's watched the channel, who's watched the content, who continues to support and will support in the future. Again, thank you so much. And I want to leave you with this. Life is short. Get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.